Hello, my friends. Today we are unboxing Gammon drawing tablet. So we are unboxing this. Our parcel, which we had ordered from Amazon. So here is our box. We are going to open this. So so here is our drawing tablet. Yeah, it is Gammon Draw the World digital drawing pen display. So PD1161 model. It is sealed completely here, as you can see, completely sealed. So these are features given here. So display resolution, IPS LCD, contrast ratio, active area, pressure sensitivity, viewing angle, camera sensing height, report rate. So these are their pages, website, your social media page, address. So on side here is Camel logo. So we are going to open this seal here before we open our box. So we're going to open the seal here. Yeah. So there is seal on other side also. Both sides need to be properly open. So so draw the world. There is cushion for protecting display in the box. So here is our display right here. As you can see, the size of display is pretty large tablet. 11 inches, I think it is the size of the completely sealed field. So here buttons, right? So what we include here: manual drawing pen. This is cable HDMI cable also, power cable too. These are power cables, I think, and HDMI cable also. HDMI cable if you want to connect it to laptop or your desktop PC. This is power cable. It is for pen, for sporting your pen. Before using it, we will see the manual. Yeah, we will read the manual first. Oh, in the manual that here is cloth for cleaning, the display. No, it's not for cleaning the display. It's a glove, hand glove. Yeah, look at it clearly. This glove. Yeah, for a better grip. This is website card for downloading drivers on the Windows. So here is manual. Yeah, as you can see, power button menu. So functions are mentioned over here. If you are new for using this one, this one is for replacing the nib. This box is that is meant for replacing a nib. Here is warranty card. You can write your name, gender, phone number, email address, order number. These things are included in this one. This is how you will connect your display to the laptop in HDMI cable, one in USB, one in power cable. This is how you will connect it to the laptop. OSD buttons, shortcut keys, LED indicator. So we will open the wrap here. We will open the seal. Now you can see clearly the drawing tablet here. Gammon tablet. It looks absolutely amazing. You can feel the shining of this drawing tablet. The button feels very soft, looks very amazing in my opinion. Here are buttons on the side. So here are ports for connecting. It feels amazing in your hand. Very perfect thing for artist people, for the people who love drawing, for the digital drawings, portraits, for landscape. You can draw anything to this, whatever you would like. So don't forget to subscribe our channel for more stuff like this. I will also show you the drawings which I will create through this. I will connect it to my laptop. I will show you in our next part, in our next video, how it feels like on our laptop. So thank you so much my friends for watching this video.